Welcome everyone watching from all over the world. You are watching a special International Women's Day edition of Conversations with Ife. And I have a very special guest, and he is a nurse and also the owner of a very reputable pharmacy in the city of Enugu. And I will allow him introduce himself now.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My name is Uchenna Geoffrey. By the special grace of God, the CEO of Redress Medicals.
Wow.
So, thank you for.
Okay, yes, and this edition, like you saw the poster earlier, we are talking about self-care for women, everyday self-care. So what do you think, is it expensive for women to take care of themselves every day? Must I have up to $10,000 or 1 million naira in my account before I take care of myself every day?
Wow, thank you very much. To answer that question, for a woman to take care of herself is not that really expensive. It doesn't need rocket science to, get it done. So just, women need to look good.
Yes.
So
Yes.
for women, the first characteristic that we use to distinguish women is just the outlook of it before now going
knowing if she has a good character or have a bad character.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's start from the skin. The skin routine, how to take care of our skin, our body every day. Because of our environment in Nigeria, at times there's a lot of dust from Harmattan or the sun is too hot. And right now, I think rain has started falling in month of March. But how should we use more of medicated soap or perfumed soap or shower gel? What do you really recommend for women in Nigeria to take care of themselves?
Okay, for especially this rainy season that we are entering, I recommend using more of medicated soap because of our environment. In the beginning of the rainy season, like this, there are many different bacteria in the environment. So, and because of that, women need to be using more of medicated soap. So because of the nature of our environment, so that all those bacteria and others will always be, medicated soap, there are antibacterials.
Yes.
So whenever bacteria saw them, they will be running away.
Yeah, so, yes. Because we always need our skin to be clean and fresh. Not just enjoying the perfume of the soap, but making sure that the soap is working and giving us the right results. Exactly. So let's go quickly to the hand lotions. Because I know most of the time we just buy a cream that we can rub all over our body as we are rushing to work, rushing to the market. Yeah. So why should women use hand cream every day?
Okay, it is good for women to use hand cream because of the nature of the environment. We are in the hot climate.
So, yes, in Africa,
so, yes. So it's not like the outside there, whereby every time the weather is so cool.
Yeah.
So we need to women need to be using hand cream, so that their hand will always to not be cracked, and also on the leg.
Yeah. So, okay. Yes. I was going to that because I remember when I was just my first year in the university, my auntie, one of the best advice she gave me was that if you always have hand cream in your bag, because most of the time as women, a guy in your faculty wants to shake you and your hand is
very hot.
You know that.
You see that kind of thing.
Yes. But I know it's better when a woman's hands are soft.
Exactly.
Yeah, compared to you be like, what does she do?
So you will be like, is this one?
Does he lift
weight or doing strenuous work?
Yeah, strenuous work. So it's important we use hand cream.
Yes, very, very important.
Okay, so what you are a nurse. He's a certified nurse in the city of Enugu State, and he will also be leaving his address very soon. But what are the role of supplements and multivitamins? Do you encourage women less than 30 years to take it, or should it be only for women who want to get pregnant or who are over 40 or 50 years? What do you recommend? Supplements, vitamins, should we take it every day? Is it good for us?
Okay, yes, a woman of childbearing age needs all these supplements in order to enhance her body, preparing for when she will get married and start bearing children. So once a woman is up to 18 years, she needs to be taking all those supplements. Some people, there are some other cheaper ones that they used to recommend in hospital then that is folic acid,
you have some here.
B complex, yes, ferrous sulfate, and others. So, but there are formulated ones that contain all of them. They contain, yes, ones we call B complex, which will contain both B1, B2, B3, and so on and so forth. So, I actually have some of them that I need to recommend to women. This one is called Pregnaron.
Okay.
So Pregnaron is actually a very good one. It contains 19 vitamins and minerals. Okay. So zinc, folic acid, and other elements. So it actually prepares women of childbearing age.
Yes, that's really good. Okay,
so
and
we
this
still
one?
have another one, pregnancy care. This one is most popular.
Yes, I see.
Everybody knows about it, pregnancy care. Even though it is very costly now, but it's actually a good one because it contains most of the things that the body needs to get prepared. So when your wife is pregnant, so you need this. You need this pregnancy care because it will enhance the body and make the child to be healthy when born. There are some of all these women that when they give birth, the child will be underweight.
Yes,
so all these ones, all these pregnancy care used to help a lot. So when a child weighs less than 2.5 kg at birth, it's not really good. And I have seen many that weigh even less than 2 kg.
And see the details of his address right now. So in case you need pregnant care, I'm sure he can do home delivery for you, or he can schedule a session for you to talk about the vitamins to take, whether you are planning to get pregnant soon or you're already pregnant. So you can see details of his address right now on your screen. Okay, so let's quickly, we talked earlier about cream and taking care of our feet, because at times, because we feel most of the times we wear slippers maybe at home, or we don't, and because we put our feet on the floor, we feel that once we've bathed, or everywhere is clean. So what's the purpose of foot cream? Because I know you also have that in your pharmacy.
Yes, there is a one they call hair balm that work for cracks foot and cracks skin. So that one, whenever there are some people that I used to see that their foot is very cracked. So whenever if they rub that hair balm, it will make it soft. So even me, there is a time I used it so that I have some crack. So within a week, it will just give you the result you want within a week. So
Wow, within a week. So I know it's good for the general appearance of women when your feet is also looking good. Not just your hand, not just your face, because there will be times when you sit down and you want to cross your legs, and if under your feet it's not looking nice, it's not the best appearance for women. I know Women's Day is all about empowering us, preserving our beauty in the best possible way. Okay, and one more thing, because I know that right now in Nigeria, a lot of women change their skin color for different reasons. So what would you advise women who have changed, popularly called bleaching, who have bleached? What else could they do? Because I know some people have bleached and it has caused some issues on their body. So what can they do? Can you just give, like, in 1 minute, what they can do and how they can reach you?
Okay, some women these days do rub all this bleaching cream, and most of them do cause them some kind of crack on their body. So it will see them change totally. So my advice is that even if they are rubbing it, let them reserve it on the face and maybe on the feet, and forget about the abdomen. Yes, because for instance, if the woman happen to give delivery by CS, so and it will result in a serious issue, I have seen a case like that, and the wound is unable to heal. So they keep wound that's supposed to take like 3 weeks to get healed, or 2 weeks, now stay months, 6 months. So because of that implication, so they should always reserve that bleaching cream to any other area apart
from the
from
abdomen
yes.
area.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much for that tip. I mean, I don't think I've really heard that part. I just usually know that when you bleach, don't go out under the sun. But as women now, when you know there's pregnancy, you childbearing, please just leave your abdomen area alone just in case. Thank you so much for your time. A popular pharmacist, certified nurse in the city of Enugu, and his details are here. And he also has a YouTube channel that he will be talking to us regularly on self-care for women and men too, because this is International Women's Day. We just limited it to women, but on his YouTube channel we'll also be talking to us about men, women, children. So please follow him on his YouTube channel. You can see his YouTube channel right now on your screen. So I want to say a big thank you for taking out time, and happy Women's Month.
And they want to wish you happy International Women's Day.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, follow, and share. Bye. Bye.